everybody. About, I don't know, 10:30 in the morning, Saturday. And we have an issue with the Jeep this morning. Check engine lights on. Wife said it's a little rattly. So let's scan it, see what we find. Hopefully it's not what all 3-liters like to do, 3.6s like to do. But let's see what's going on with it, shall we? Alright. Got our scanner here. It's already booted up. Get everything hooked up, get through the central gateway, which I have to pay for. It's just some a subscription I pay for to talk to Dodges, because they don't like aftermarket people talking to them. So let's see. System selection, PCM. Well, we're young. It does not give me the code. 1100 P19A blah 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 blah. Y. E9 active grille shutter. Lost communication with active grille shutter. Okay, so let's go see what's going on in there. Maybe it's just a broken wire, hopefully. Oh, I think that's nice about Jeeps. All the light. Okay. Have active grille shutter in it? I don't think so. Why are you throwing a code then? This thing doesn't have that. Odd. Make sure I was right with my scanning. Let's do a system scan. See what's going on. See if there's any more anywhere else in it. Seems like the PCM's the only one with one in it, and that one code is for the active grille shutter, which this doesn't have. So I'm not sure why it's throwing a code. Unless they programmed it wrong when it got a new cluster got put in it. I used to be a Chrysler tech back in the day, so I kind of know about these vehicles. Now I'm in heavy duty. Way more money. Way less bullshit. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't tell me if it's active or what. It's stored. Okay. Okay, there it goes. P021-9A. It is stored. So it might have just had a blip. So we are going to clear it. Perfect. Okay. Cycle the key. Okay, I'm not going to dig too much into that. Sometimes they just have a bit of a freak out. So you just clear it, it's stored, and you can, sometimes it doesn't come back, sometimes it does, but it's a good kind of, when it's stored, to not think too hard into it, especially with communication codes like that. Sometimes the computer just has a little bit of a spaz. But I am hearing a belt squeak. So, how's this belt doing? This has, no, just one belt, I'm done. But they suck to change. You have to take the alternator off and a bunch of stuff off to change that. Yeah, let me show you. So, serpentine belt. Huh? And it's very, very, very buried. So, maybe I'll just clean it off. A lot of guys use belt dressing. I hate belt dressing. All it does is make the belt all gooey. And it's shitty to work on.
In the camera. Good morning, YouTube.
But yeah, everything else looks decent on this thing. There's a dipstick. We got an oil change that I didn't do.
Did you find the problem?
It had a code for the active grill shutter, but this thing doesn't have active grill shutters in it.
Interesting.
So it was stored, so I just cleared it, and we'll see if it comes back. There's no point really digging into it. You might have just had a bit of a spaz. It happens.
Yep.
But no, oil's good. Everything else seems to be copacetic with it, so I think we will just leave it at that. I'm not going to go looking for more problems than it has. Cool. Easy fix.